Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the FlightOne RevoltOSD flight controller. So this is the predecessor to the RaceFlight Revolt. I'm using in this one. And those who know me know that I'm a big RaceFlight guy. Literally from the start I have like prototype boards. And I kind of lost track because life got ahead of me and I stopped flying that much, or pretty much at all. So I'm trying to catch up now, and I heard about this Falco X software, so it's supposed to be even better than FlightOne. And I need a RaceFlight or FlightOne board with an OSD for that, so I picked this one up. And yeah, let's take a look at what's inside. We have connectors for camera and all the good stuff. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to put it in this quad here with the bolt or the one of my other quads. Probably will end up in another quad because this one is already FlightOne and I have some bare bones that aren't fully equipped. So let's skip talking and put it on the scale. 8.4 grams without the gummies, and with them it's 8.7 grams. Let's add the connectors and we are at 10.1 gram. Not bad for flight control with an OSD, but I guess it's more to that than that, isn't it? Yeah, looks pretty nice. FlightOne, Preston Garrison. Okay, I think so much for unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. More to come, for sure. I promise.